Did you know that 67% of US households own a pet? That's over 85 million homes filled with wagging tails, purring snuggles, and unconditional love. Welcome to National Pet Day, the perfect time to show some extra love to your furry, or feathery, best friends. And what better way to celebrate than with some awesome gadgets to make their lives, and yours, even better. Hey everyone, it's Slankit here, and today we're talking all things pets. National Pet Day is all about appreciating our amazing animal companions, and if you're like me, you want to spoil them with the best. So let's dive into the coolest pet products that make pet parenting a breeze. While our pets bring us so much joy, not every pet has a loving home. Thousands of animals are in shelters, waiting for someone to give them a second chance. National Pet Day reminds us of the responsibility that comes with pet ownership, providing safety, love, and care. Ever lost track of your pet in the backyard? Or worried about their safety when you're away? Maybe you're tired of constantly scooping out the litter box. We get it. That's where smart pet gadgets come in to help make life easier and keep our pets safe and happy. Let's check out some next-level pet products that'll have your fur babies living their best lives. With the Smart Tag Anti-Lost Alarm, you'll always know where your pet is. Just attach this Bluetooth tracker to their collar and track them right from your phone. This GPS dog fence helps keep your pup safe without the hassle of physical barriers. No more worrying about them wandering off. Cats need entertainment too. The rolling ball cat toy keeps them active and engaged, so your furniture stays scratch-free. If you're a cat owner, this self-cleaning litter box is a game changer. Get rid of the daily scooping struggle. Pets aren't just animals, they're family. They bring us joy, companionship, and unconditional love. So why not give back by making their lives even better with these smart pet gadgets? And hey, with Slankit, you can negotiate prices and get free shipping on all your pet essentials. Because treating your pet shouldn't cost a fortune. Alright, pet lovers, how are you celebrating National Pet Day? Drop a comment below and tell us about your furry friends. Want to snag these amazing pet gadgets? Head to Slankit now to shop smart and save big. And don't forget to check out our next video for more awesome deals.